An estate accounting is not always required. When it is required, it's usually required at the end of a probate proceeding. If a probate proceeding for some reason goes longer than a year, it is usually required at the end of each year of the probate proceeding. But I say it's not always required because it can generally be waived by all of the interested parties or beneficiaries of the estate if they all agree that the time and expense of creating the final accounting is really unnecessary, because they're all willing to sign receipts that they've received what they're entitled to receive and sign a waiver of that final accounting. If a final accounting is prepared, what it really is an itemized listing of what came into the estate from the decedent at the beginning, all of the assets and income items that came into the estate throughout the course of the estate, all of the payments of expenses that came out, all the distributions to beneficiaries that came out, any increases in value such as capital gains, capital losses, and then at the end of the year you have what's left over after all of those ins and outs. So as you can see, it's a very detailed process, and if you can imagine financial accounts with many different transactions going on, there are really a number of individual entries, so it's a very time-consuming process. So it can in fact be one of the most expensive parts of probate, and it's usually quite helpful and cost-effective if the beneficiaries are willing to waive a final accounting.